How to make money with NFT. The exponential growth in the NFT market over the once 18 months has offered up numerous exciting ways for investors to generate a return. Digital assets have come a compelling way to diversify investment portfolios, with this trend set to come increasingly popular in the times ahead. This guide will discuss how to make money with NFTs in detail, highlighting the most profitable approaches. You can take ahead showing you which trading platforms are the best for investing in NFTs moment, all from the comfort of your own home. A closer look at how to make profit with NFTs. When probing how to buy NFTs, you should pay sufficient attention to the approach you'll take to induce a return. Thanks to the growth of the NFT request, there are numerous ways to produce gains through NFTs, whether that be actively or passively. With such a saturated NFT request, some systems are offering the stylish NFT giveaways to encourage new users to engage with a variety of NFT collections. With that in mind, let's dive in and explore how to make money with NFT commemoratives by reviewing the most profitable strategies that you can take. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. I will upload a video every day until getting monetized. Invest in a play-to-earn NFT project called Tamadoge. Since CryptoPunks are now out of the grasp of most retail traders, what's the best NFT to make money using this strategy? Tamadoge is an exciting new design that combines meme coin eventuality with NFT power and play-to-earn gaming. Presently available on the OKX centralized and decentralized exchanges, Tamadoge cemented its place as one of the time's stylish crypto pre-sales after raising a stunning $19 million. The faves are grounded on 90s crack Tamagotchi, but in full 3D. Holders of the pets will feed, watch for them and take them for walks to watch them grow, also. Formerly they're completely grown. They can do battle with other holders for the chance to climb up a leaderboard and earn prizes. Faves will also transform from 3D to stoked reality, AR, in Q4 2023, allowing holders to take their faves out into the real world to explore and quest for commemoratives. 2 Play to Earn, P2E, Silk's NFT game. Another approach if you're wondering how to profit from NFT tokens is to take part in Play to Earn, P2E, NFT games. Numerous of the stylish NFT games now employ P2E features, which allow players to induce prices through professed gameplay. These prices are generally denominated in the platform's native token, meaning they can be spent on in-game particulars or changed for fiat. Using NFT games to make money has come a popular approach, with numerous instigative platforms springing up that offer a way to induce harmonious income. Axie Infinity is one of the most prominent since users can battle other users and earn prices. In addition, since most important in-game particulars are structured as NFTs, the digital currency earned as prices can be reinvested into better items, leading to increased performance. 3 Admit compounded earnings from a HFT fund by investing in the Uncharted NFT. Another way to make money with NFTs is to buy one connected to a real-world performing trading fund that distributes earnings to holders. One excellent option is to invest in the Uncharted NFT collection, a design that bridges the gap between TradFi and the Web3 industry. Owners of the Uncharted NFT collection earn 20 per month, distributed to all holders each quarter. The profit is generated from a high-frequency trading, HFT, fund with a proven track record that can boast past performance of over 400 per annum. All profit generated from the NFT trade is deposited into the XETA Capital Fund, XCF, to be stationed in the HFT algorithm. The fund conducts trades with the capital as mandated by a complex and secure HFT algorithm and a team of educated dealers to induce profit for all NFT holders. 4 Invest in a passive cryptocurrency mining protocol. Another system of making money with NFTs in 2023 is through passive cryptocurrency mining. One innovative design in this space is Copium Protocol, a mining investment ecosystem that provides a simple result to share in unresistant cryptocurrency mining. The Copium protocol is centered around Copium mining, a real-world, established cryptocurrency mining installation. The mining installation is located in New Zealand, and it's powered by 100 clean, green, renewable energy generated in the Southern Alps. The project's original phase will launch by releasing the Copium Protocol Investor Pass, a collection of 000 NFTs that can be formed on November 9, 2022, on the Ethereum network. The NFTs will be vended through a Dutch transaction via the design's website at a starting price of 3.5 ETH. Still, The first 2,000 people that register beforehand on the design's website will admit a guaranteed mint spot at a lower fixed price of 3 ETH. 5. Invest in promising new NFTs early. One of the stylish ways to make money on an NFT is by investing in promising new collections beforehand before they shoot in value. Numerous of the stylish NFTs to buy were originally formed at a low price, with their value adding exponentially in the weeks and months after launch. Some of the stylish utility NFTs have so important eventuality to enter mainstream adoption. Check out our companion on the stylish utility NFTs for further information. A high illustration of this is CryptoPunks, which could be bought in 2017 for between $1 and $34. When the NFT mode took over in 2021, these punks became incredibly precious due to their first transport status within the space. This crowned in these NFTs being bought by celebrities and other high-profile names, with one punk indeed dealing for $24 million. Another NFT-grounded medium within Battle Perpetuity's world is the plots of virtual land that druggies can buy. These land parcels are located in the Battle Arena, Battle Perpetuity's metaverse design. Virtual land possessors can also rent the land out to others or announce via in-game billboards. Eventually, this makes Battle Perpetuity one of the stylish NFT land systems for enterprise and unresistant income. The IBAT launched on decentralized exchange PancakeSwap in mid-August and saw early investors' net peak gains of 700, with a total request cap of around $60 million. IBAT will next be listed on centralized exchange L-Bank on August 26, with further rosters in the channel. NFT investors looking to stay over to date with this project can do so through the Battle Perpetuity Twitter runner or by joining the official Battle Infinity Telegram group. 6. NFT hodling. One of the stylish strategies to employ when researching how to make money with an NFT is to invest in HODL. For those who haven't heard the term, HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life, and was popularized by retail dealers during the GameStop short squeeze of 2021. Since also, the term has been used to describe an investment strategy where you simply don't vend, anyhow, of what happens. Investors who buy cryptocurrency will know that there are both pros and cons to espousing this approach. Still, if conducted strategically, hodling can be a great way to make plutocrat with NFTs. Going back to our illustration of CryptoPunks, investors back in 2017 may have decided to vend because the value of their punk wasn't going up. Still, those investors who chose to HODL will have reaped the prices when prices soared in 2021. Dispensable to say, this approach won't always work, as some NFT collections won't witness the uptake necessary to induce price instigation. Still, numerous of the systems listed on our NFT timetable are formally beginning to gather instigation from social media. Meaning there could be some great investment openings in the weeks and months ahead. 7. Flipping NFTs. Flipping is another effective way to make money with NFTs. As defined by Fortune.com, flipping refers to the process of buying low and dealing high, thereby producing a positive return. The critical distinction between flipping and other investment strategies is that flipping is generally a veritably short-term approach, differing with the HODL strategy described over. Chancing the stylish NFT to make money and also flipping it for a profit is challenging, especially since there's so important competition in the request currently. Still, it isn't insolvable, although there are multitudinous factors to consider when probing how to flip NFTs for profit. The commemoratives mileage should be at the van of your mind, as this will be one of the main reasons other investors would buy it. Community backing should also be considered, along with the development platoon behind the design. Eventually, the visual appeal of the NFT is essential to note, as utmost investors will wish to display their digital art as their profile picture on social media or via a digital art gallery. To learn about NFT, most expensive NFTs ever sold, how to sell NFTs, watch our other videos on this YouTube channel. I will upload a video every day until getting monetized. Did you learn something new about NFTs that you didn't know before? We hope you did. Please check the link in the description for our merch also because there's something very special for you in it. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.